Good morning to you all guys and dear students. Today 18th July 2020 Saturday. Have a nice day to you all. As you know that nowadays we are reading prose part lesson second Lost Spring Stories of Stolen Childhood. After completing its first story, sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. Now I am with you with the story. Second, I want to drive a car. The very selected and most important word meanings from this story are like this. Insist means persist. Looms means appears. Mirage means an elusive appearance or an optical illusion. Bangles means ornaments worn loosely around the wrist. Is engaged in means does the work of. Generations means many stages in the history of a family. Furnaces means enclosed chambers in which material can be heated to a very high temperatures. Welding means joining together metal parts by heating the surfaces to the point of melting and pressing them together. Land means country. Illegal means contrary to a law. Dingy means gloomy and drab. Beam means shine brightly. Volunteers means offers willingly. Rebuilt means constructed again. Stinking means foul smelling. Choked with garbage means obstructed by waste. Hovels means small poorly constructed dwelling. Crumbling means breaking apart into small fragment. Wobbly means moving in an unsteady way side to side or not fitted properly. Coexisting means living together. Primeval means of the earliest time in the history or ancient or primitive. Bangs means strikes forcefully and noisily or knocks on. Shack means a roughly built cabin or hutman. Hatched means roofed or covered. Vessel means pot. Sizzling means roasting or boiling. Spinach means a kind of green vegetable. Platters means large flat serving dishes. Chopped means cut to size. Veil means a piece of cloth worn to conceal the face. Poor, impoverished means poor. Despite means in spite of. Renovate means restore something old to a good state of repair or get the repairs done. Destiny means fate. Lineage means pedigree or ancestry. Implies means indicates or means to say. Spirals means helicals or of a cork screw form. Sunny means brightly shining. Paddy green means green paddy color. Soldering means joining with solder. Mechanically means like a machine. Tongs means catching tools. Mounds means small hills. Frail means weak and delicate. Unkempt means having an untidy or dirty appearance. Piled means heaped or loaded. Shanty means small towns or slum localities. In dark hutments means dark encampment of huts. Flickering means burning unsteadily and fitfully. Adjusted means adapted. Auspiciousness means favorable. Toil means hard work. Entire means whole. Sanctity means holiness. Dyed means colored. Henna means the color of coloring in your dyeing hair or the hands for decoration. Wrapped means covered. Or adults means persons who are fully grown and developed. Well guys, note these all selected word meanings from this story completely in your fair notebooks, and with the help of these told selected word meanings, read the passages of the story and try to understand better. Nice meeting to you the next day. Have a good day. Thank you.